welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another day, a beautiful one. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for your girl. Then I always link up my PayPal account there for donation for anything. Just you can just 310, any amount, just put it down. I always say that, you never know what might happen in this world. We're going to unbox the Amazon Echo Dot. If you've ever known of Alexa, you know Alexa, like Siri, can you put on the lights? So this one is Alexa. Machine learning, artificial intelligence. You'll show us what, I don't know, you'll show us life. Let me just tell you, technology is on another level, and I think so. And to you parents out there, IT, STEM, technology, anything, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, Ethereum, whatever, those things, everything, just teach us. If you have a kid, just make sure he or she has a computer to be playing it with. Or nowadays there is program for kids for coding. Just like, it's the future. I've seen many things with this. I've seen people earning and people living from it. Yeah, that is what I'm saying. So yeah, we're going to unbox with you guys Alexa, Amazon Echo Dot. Okay, I don't know. Okay, this is just toys in life. Like, you get excited the first time, then the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you don't know what will happen to humans evolving. So this is Echo Dot, Amazon Echo Dot. It's Alexa. Let's call her Alexa. Let's call her. Hey, you see, like, things to try. Alexa, play music. Okay, we are going to play with this Amazon Echo Dot, things to try later. But first of all, let's unbox Alexa. Okay. And someone who bought this thing, I just like, you're on another level. So you see, this is Alexa. You'll see what I'm talking about later. Okay. You'll see. If you're not Siri, if you watch movies, or it's like Safaricom now. Everything is automated. In Safaricom when we have Siri. I don't know what has happened. And this is the charger. So we are going to Amazon Echo Dot try, things to try while calling Alexa. So yeah, hope so you will enjoy. So let me connect Alexa, okay? Yeah, even I don't know the instructions. What? Okay, my microphone. We're reading the instructions. We're not reading it for now. So it says here I have to download the latest Alexa app so that I can talk to Alexa. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm coughing and I don't want water. Alexa app. I'm in Play Store. Amazon Alexa. Pending. Wow, that is a lot of MBs. Let's wait. It's here. Alexa, Amazon Alexa. Hey, this thing is loading slow. Maybe it's my internet. So Alexa is connected. You see, it's connected to the internet. So we're going to do Amazon Echo Dot try on. So we're going to ask her several things like, Alexa, what can I say?
You can say things like, Alexa, who directed The Godfather, sing a holiday song, or play music everywhere.
Okay. Alexa, play music for a party.
Playing party music from Apple Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. So yeah, hope so guys enjoy my video. See you next time. Hit that notification bell and subscribe button and like and subscribe. Okay, no. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Bye.